Hi, Mr. Zemke. We're going into the dungeon. Hey, how's the water down here, guys?
It's cold!
What? What?
Yeah, you guys are in your waist deep, huh?
Except for me,
We're going to the wrestling room.
I'm in there like shoulder deep.
Go with the players, man. Don't pull it nowhere. You're gonna drop that camera.
That wouldn't be sweet at all.
Be careful on the mat because they're like,
Span your shoes!
my shoes!
Hispanic on his shoes.
Say shoes.
Look at everybody.
I stayed shoes.
Here's the wrestling room.
We gotta find the last step. Regan, I'm gonna kill you.
We're walking around on the mats. Don't splash the camera.
Whose camera? Hey, whose camera?
Hey, Jake, how's it going? I'm Jake Weiser. Go flock room. We're going through the door. Oh, jeez. It's dangerous down here. It's scary. I'm scared. Water. Peter Holmeyer. Hey, Mr. Weiser, how's it going?
Going alright. A little wet.
Oh, it's Mr. Zemke again. The trucks are rolling in to pick up all the stuff.
Bit. That stuff that's over there.
We don't want to touch the athletic equipment.
Not yet.
Right?
No,
Not
we
yet,
don't want to touch
no.
the athletic equipment.
I'm trying to get a hold of the Riddell guy to come by and pick up the football pit.
Hey, Ann.
Hey.
How's it going? Oh, well, this is the English department, right, guys? That's the English department. Oh. All right, we're going through what part of the school?
This is the English
basement.
You guys gotta help me get across.
English hallway.
Hey, help me get across so I'm not killing myself.
Make sure you step on the studs, hey. Yeah.
What's a stud besides me?
Aaron Williams, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, get my foot out of there.
Your foot.
I can't help you with your damn
Get your finger out of there. There's lights on now.
Yeah? We're gonna get electrocuted then.
That's not safe.
Oh, there's the English department. How's it going, Mr. O'Neill? All right, you look good.
here.
You look good. There's the water level.
Trash can come up there.
Trash can, right?
This beautiful room.
Oh, we don't even know what the fuck it is. I mean, what it is. There's another classroom. We're coming to Mr. Renner's dungeon. Ryan, I need more light. Okie dokie. Andy's, tell me a scary story. I'm scared.
Oh.
We're with Jake Weiser, everybody. I'm Jake Weiser.
Hey, hold on.
First, oh, what does it say, Andy?
Welcome to the hardest test of your lives, besides Judgment Day. Good luck.
Yeah, Andy, say hi to the camera. We have some amazing footage that we'd like to show you.
I love amazing footage.
Amazing.
That's amazing.
Yeah, we found the Bible. Tell me if I'm gonna run into anything, Andy.
Hey, what was the book that you guys probably hated the most? The Inferno?
That was all right. I like that book.
Okay, The Importance of Being Earnest? No.
No.
The Wrinkle in Time.
All right, hey, some amazing footage. Just wait. We need to check
Now
this
look
out.
at this.
Look at the cross. Now look at the water level at the bottom of the cross. Wow. Right, straight line.
I said we just dumped that TV right off.
All right, you guys gotta quit throwing books.
The hideous strength.
Jake, say hi.
You bitch.
Okay, let's not throw any more books, Andy. Let's see. Hey, give me an angry face.
Dickman plays.
Give me. Let's see what you got. What kind of pitch? What kind of pitch? This way, Andy. This way. No, this way.
Oh, this way? Which way am I going?
Oh yeah. All right, I'm turning the.
Miller and other stories.
All right. All right, guys.
I'm hitting the light.
Yeah, it's not that high.
Hey, there's Adam Lieb, everybody. State champ.
I can't buy this.
Long jump it.
Just step on it.
Mr. O'Neill.
Hey, get it because you're a state champ now.
We got the cross on foot.
I need, yeah. Wouldn't that be weird if it showed up weird on the camera?
It's only amazing because it's in Mr. Renner's class.
Wait, he's not here anymore, so. It's not his class.
Let's zoom in that. Hey, put the light up next to that. Mr. Charles Renner.
Take that.
Okay.
No more. Alright, let's go. Put a wire go down there.
Row your boat gently down the feces.
The elevator. Let's take the elevator upstairs.
Yeah, Andy. We're done messing around.
Hi!
Hey, it's Adam.
What'd you walk on?
Walk on the studs. Oh shit. Stay on the studs.
Oh god, I'm going through the wall.
Adam, what you doing? Hey, say hi to Kelsey.
Hey, Kelsey. Hey, Ray.
What? Sit down on the desk.
Oh, dude.
Matt. Can you get in the mechanical room?
Hey, get a key to the mechanical room. Lizer, ask someone for a key to the mechanical room.
Never mind.
Adam.
Good book. Shut your fucking mouth, Uncle Bob.
Ryan, watch out, camera.
Watch out, there's shit hanging off of
Ryan, watch out. Hey, caution. What does that say, Ryan? Watch out.
it. Sewer must be kept closed.
Watch out.
It's obviously open for rebels like this.